As part of a strategic alignment within Siemens' capital portfolio, we're making an electrifying move to Capital X Panel Designer. Don't worry, everything you love about the software remains the same. It's truly just a name change. Guaranteed with unchanged performance, Capital X Panel Designer continues to empower you with cloud-native efficiency, access projects anywhere, anytime, intuitive user interface, saving you massive training time and money, intelligent automation tools, boost your productivity and minimize human errors effectively, real-time collaboration, work with anyone, seamlessly, huge library of industry standard symbols, everything you need, right at your fingertips. Comes with unparalleled speed, convenience and efficiency. Complete circuits 3 to 5 times faster. We're dedicated to maintaining the high-quality standards you've come to expect. This change marks a new chapter for Capital X Panel Designer, and it remains your go-to solution for efficient and innovative electrical design. Sign up for your free 30-day trial today. Capital X Panel Designer, designed for speed, convenience, and efficiency.